Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Cutlass Convertible here for you. Let's take a listen and to show you everything that works on it. Runs really good. You see the fuel gauge is at half tank, so that works. Left blinker, right blinker. Fan works. Let's see if the radio works. Radio does not work. I can see dome light down there. So that sounds really good. Check the lights here for you and let you listen to the exhaust. Just standard exhaust on it. You can see the tail light working. They do got dual exhaust on it. There's your headlights are working. Got that 330 Jetfire in it. Power steering, manual brakes. Sounds really good. We'll also have a video of driving it. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391. Here we got the kick down. So carburetor works good. Said any questions, give me a call.